Good afternoon, everybody. Come on in. I'm doing a real little quick thing. Norrek has been sick with strep and he hasn't been eating. So I'm putting him together a couple of his favorite things and I'm going to get it to him so he can eat something different. Okay, that's the rice. We're making him his sushi rice. I packed him up some oranges, some cookies. He loves ham, so I made a little brown sugar and mustard glaze to go over some of that ham. I'll run it through the air fryer for about 5 minutes to let that let that honey and brown sugar blend into it. That's some chicken and shrimp that's going to go in the cucumbers and avocado that's going to go on top of his sushi rice. So there's his favorite dressing, that $1,000. So I'm going to get to work on this. I'm getting ready to run that ham through the oven. And then I'm going to come back and start putting his sushi rice together. So y'all hang tight. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, I got that ham heating up. And one thing I did not ask y'all to do, and I should have in the very beginning, keep Norrek in prayer because he had strep throat. And you know, strep is a very dangerous, very bad situation to be in for adults, let alone a child. And I understand he kind of had a hard time with it because, your throat gets so sore. It's just beyond belief how sore your throat can get for about 2 or 3 days. So he is better now. And I would check with his mom this morning to make sure whether he went to school or not. But anywho, I'm gonna fix him this little food to take out there and he can eat it at his leisure. So y'all pray for him. Let me get my ham out again. I don't want to keep that ham up too long. Okay. Yeah. Y'all excuse me for a second. Anyway, I had to make sure I get that ham out of the air fryer. I don't want to stay in there too long. So anywho, I'm gonna go ahead and put these sushi rice bowls together for him. I got the ham all heated up, wrap it up, and take it to him. I got him some oranges and some tangerines for his fruit. I always make sure they have fruit whenever they eat. And I'm gonna get it out there to him and make him a little happy camper. And I hope his little throat is healed up enough to be able to eat the sushi rice and swallow. And this little fella eats a lot too. So I just want him to be able to enjoy. So it's a real simple process. The ham, I bought a whole picnic ham, and I'll show it to y'all later. I took it and I cut it in half, and then I sliced some pieces off of it and made him a dish out of it. The rest of it I put in the freezer. And this is rice. I had cooked this rice a couple of days. I can't remember why I cooked such a big old pot of rice the other day, but I did. So rice, you can use it after about 4 days. My friend Barbara told me 4 days is like long enough. Put it, bag it and put it in the refrigerator. So I had my rice already done. So what I'm gonna do now is go ahead. I've got I had a little piece of Mesquite chicken. I'm gonna divide this between these two bowls and put the chicken on there. Okay. The chicken, and then I got those are medium shrimp, look like they shrunk. But anyway, what I'm gonna do with that chicken is sort of push it down in between there. So he'll have the chicken throughout. You know how you have to make these bowls right now. Okay. And then, of course, I'm going to come in next. I'm going to go ahead and put some veggies on top of this. Yeah, I can come on in with my veggies now. He's going to enjoy this. And, of course, the last thing you put on there is your dressing. And his, like I said, Norrek's dressing choice. Again, I don't know. I guess you can ask for whatever kind of dressing you want at the sushi rice, at the sushi bar. Whatever kind of dressing you want to go on your sushi, I guess you ask for it. I can't remember. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and put some veggies on. He likes cucumbers, and he likes I opened 2 avocados. One was too hard, and the other one was going bad, so I had to open another one and just salvage whatever I could off that hard one. It was fresh, but it was just not ripe yet. So he don't want to have a lot, so I don't even think he know he like. I really don't even think he knows he likes it. But anyway, that's what I always put for the veggies in his sushi. I always put so let's go in with a little bit of this avocado. I'll just strip it in here, just have a few little pieces sprinkled throughout, because like I say, I probably didn't get half an avocado out of what I was cutting. I bought some new ones the other day, but I don't know what in the world. Sometimes you can buy stuff and you don't know till you get it home. Okay. A few up there. Alrighty. And of course he'll load it up with that dressing and he'll be ready to eat, y'all. Okay. Okay. Let's go ahead now. We can go ahead now and put the shrimp on. So this is like the main thing on there. Oops. Just evenly distribute the shrimp throughout. Because trust me, when you go to these sushi places, honey, you don't get a whole lot of seafood. You can please believe it. So, and because he likes the taste of that dressing, there you see it's all. So there's his sushi bowls already. So, and I'm debating with myself as to whether or not I'm going to put the dressing on or let him put it on. Well, we'll see. Okay. So there are our sushi bowls. There's our fruit. When I get it all together, I'll give you one big picture of it. And I'll show you what I'm gonna, somehow I'm gonna stack everything in this one aluminum foil pan here. There we are. Okay, here we are, y'all. This is everything I'm taking. Norrek, the ham, the 2 sushi bowls, some tangerines, some orange, or those cara oranges. That's the $1,000 dressing that goes on top of his sushi rice, and those cookies that he loves, those frosted, I guess it's sugar cookies. So I got him a package of those. So he should be a happy little camper. This should be 2 days worth of food. Now I don't know how long it's gonna take him to eat it, but I want to take it to him and let him enjoy. So thank y'all for stopping by. Thank y'all. Please pray for my baby. And continue to pray without ceasing for everything else that's going on in the world, as we will pray for you. Do something kind for somebody. See how simple it is to do something to make somebody's day? This took me all of 30 minutes to do. So anytime that you know that somebody special, or maybe not so special sometimes, is in need of, you think it'll brighten their day, fix them. If it's a sandwich and some chips and a drink, something, food always make people feel better. So listen, y'all, I got to go get ready to get out of here so I can get there right after he gets out of school. So listen, y'all, love you. Thank you for stopping by. Continue to pray without ceasing for all the things around this world, all throughout, in our homes, in the schools, and especially for our little babies. So until I decide to cook again, I love you guys. Toodles. Have a blessed day.